Good morning, students. I'm Shomajit sir. Today I'm here to deliver my lecture on topic assertion, reason, question, answer. This is from the chapter How do organisms reproduce. So without any delay, let's start with the topic assertion, reason, question, answer from the chapter How do organisms reproduce. So let's start. So let's start with the topic assertion, reason, question, answer. So you can see the passage is the following question consists of two statements. One is assertion, another is reason. So short form of assertion is A and short form of reason is R. So answer the question selecting the appropriate options given below. So you can see the first option given where both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. So when both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of A, that is option A. Option B, when both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A, then the option will be B. Third option is A is true and R is false. And fourth option is A is false and R is true. So first question is, so let's see the first question. First question, assertion. Asexual reproduction is a primitive type of reproduction. And reason said is asexual reproduction involves only mitotic cell division. Okay. So you can see here, so here both assertion and reason are true and the reason is the correct explanation of A. Okay, so the correct option is A. Question 2, you can see assertion, spores are unicellular bodies. So assertion given, spores are unicellular bodies, and reason is the parent body simply breaks up into smaller pieces on maturation. Okay, so the answer will be C, that means assertion is true and reason is false. Okay, so here assertion is true and reason is false. Now question 3, assertion given, clones are offsprings of an organism formed by asexual reproduction, and reason is clones have exact copies of DNA as their parents. So this option will be B. Here assertion and reason is true and reason is not the correct explanation of A. Fourth question, you can see assertion given, colonies of yeast multiply in sugar solution. Reason is sugar is made of sucrose which provides energy for sustaining all life activities. Okay, so here the option is A, that means both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of A. Fifth question, you can see assertion given, pollen grains from the carpel stick to the stigma of stamen. This is assertion, and reason is the fertilized egg cells grow inside the ovules and become seed. Okay, so here the correct option is D, that is here assertion is false and reason is true. So again I'm repeating the answers for question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For question 1 the correct option is A, for question 2 the correct option is C, question 3 the correct option is B, for question 4 the correct option is A, and for question 5 the correct option is D. So let's move to next assertion reason question. So here you can see the same statement. The following question consists of two statements, assertion and reason. Answer the question selecting the appropriate options given below. So first option is same, like you can see when both assertion and reason are true and R is the correct explanation of A, and B is when both assertion and reason is true and R is not the correct explanation of A. C is assertion is true and reason is false. D is assertion is false and reason is true. So next question, you can see the first one, assertion given, the offspring produced by asexual reproduction is likely to adjust better in environmental fluctuations, and reason is during the fusion of gametes there is mixing of genetic material from two parents. Okay, so here you can see the correct option is A, that means both assertion and reason is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, now next question is given here, assertion is given, growth hormones stimulate the growth of different body parts, and reason is gonadotrophin stimulates the production of sex hormones. Okay, so here the option is B. That means here assertion is true, reason is true. Okay, here both assertion and reason is true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of A. So the last question is assertion. You can see testes lie in penis outside the body. Reason is sperms require temperature lower than the body temperature for development. So the correct option is D. Okay, so D means A is false and R is true. So in this assertion, again I am repeating the answers. You can see for question 2, the first question answer is A. For B it's for second question it's B, and for third question it's D. So the answers is first question A, first question answer is A, second question answer is B, and third question answer is D. So student, here total 8 assertion reason question I have given. Copy it down in your biology copy. Write the entire PDF as it is given. Total 8 question answers are there. Thank you student. This was all about the entire video lecture. Here I have discussed about the topic assertion, reason, question answers from the chapter How Do Organisms Reproduce. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomajit sir signing off for today, and again I'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.